Winter's here, and the last thing you want is to be shivering in your car. If your car's heater's not working, don't worry, we've got you covered. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common winter problem: no heat in your car. We'll walk you through 5 potential causes and quick fixes you can try at home. Number 1. Low coolant level. Explanation: coolant is essential for transferring heat from the engine to the heater core. A low level can significantly impact the heater's performance. Fix: check the coolant level in your vehicle's radiator. If it's low, top it off with the correct type of coolant. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific instructions. Number 2. Faulty thermostat. Explanation: the thermostat regulates the engine's temperature. A malfunctioning thermostat can prevent the engine from reaching the optimal temperature for efficient heat generation. Replacing a faulty thermostat is a more complex task and usually requires professional assistance. A mechanic can diagnose the issue and replace the thermostat as needed. Number 3. Clogged heater core. Explanation: over time, debris and mineral deposits can clog the heater core, restricting the flow of coolant and reducing heat output. Fix: flushing the cooling system can help clear the blockage. However, in severe cases, replacing the heater core might be necessary. This is a job best left to a professional mechanic. Number 4. Blown heater fuse or relay. Explanation: a blown fuse or relay can interrupt the electrical supply to the heater, preventing it from functioning. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual to locate the heater, fuse, and relay. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and replace any faulty components. If you're unsure, seek professional help. Number 5. Malfunctioning blower motor. The blower motor is responsible for circulating air through the heater core and into the cabin. A weak or failed blower motor can result in poor airflow and inadequate heat. Replacing a faulty blower motor is a more involved process that often requires specialized tools and knowledge. It's best to have this done by a qualified mechanic. Check the airflow. Ensure that the air vents are not blocked or obstructed. Clear any debris that may be preventing airflow. Bleed the cooling system. If you've recently replaced coolant or worked on the cooling system, air bubbles may be trapped in the system. Bleeding the system can help improve heat performance. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.